Hello, welcome to the Anova Lighting channel. In this episode, we introduce our LED track light series. Supports 2, 3, 4 wire connections and 12 watt, 15 watt, 24 watt, 32 watt, 35 watt power options, ensuring flexible installation and precise lighting for diverse applications. Available in 15 dig Norton, 24 dig, 36 dig and 60 dig beam angles, allowing for precise lighting control and customization based on the application. Display of components and accessories. The global adapter and multiple wire configurations simplify installation and setup, saving time and effort for both installers and end users. This LED track light offers 0.90 degree vertical tilt and 355 degree rotation, providing precise light direction and versatility for any space.